Hey everyone, Michael Sipe here again, COO of the Strategic Advisor Board and owner of Sipe Coaching and Consulting, where I help executives find that elusive work-life balance. All right, in today's episode of Empowered Leadership, we're going to be talking about the 7 energy levels and how they show up in business. So what do I mean by energy? Well, specifically, I'm talking about our core personal energy, both individually and collectively in business. So when I say energy, what I mean is our thoughts, along with the emotions attached to those thoughts, and the corresponding behaviors or actions of those thoughts and emotions. So not all thoughts have emotions, but a number of them do. And here's kind of how it shows up. There are 2 types of energy. One is a positive anabolic, helps the body kind of energy. The other is catabolic, where it's destructive, kind of bringing down kind of energy. And there are 2 types of catabolic energy we're going to start off with. Of the 7 energy levels, the lowest level is level 1, and that's the most negative. And that's where it's characterized by we lose or I lose. And specifically how that might show up is, hey, we just launched a new product and we had 0 sales. What the heck's going on? Maybe we did something wrong. We lost. So this is sort of a victim kind of mentality, and it shows up in business all the time, either individually or collectively. Right now, the next level up is level 2, and that's the level of a little bit more conflict. It's competition where I win and you lose. Maybe there's some backstabbing within the company, or maybe it's competition with the business across the street that does the exact same thing you do. But it's one of trying to win and make others lose. Okay, getting up a little higher there is level 3, where it's a little more responsibility showing up. And the attitude there is one of, I win, and if you win too, that's okay. That's great, but I'm gonna win. All right. Next level up is one of concern. Hey, I need to help you win. How can I help you win? So it's one of compassion there at level 4. Next one up, level 5, kind of almost the optimal level for a lot of businesses. It's the collaboration level. It's where teamwork exists. And the attitude there is we both win. So 2 people or multiple people within the organization are trying to work together to help win. All right, the next one up is one of kind of like in sports where teams have a winning streak. They have this mentality of like, we always win. It's kind of where there's a lot of momentum building up. And so it just becomes very natural and effortless to kind of win. All right, that's level 6. Now, the next level up, level 7, this is an interesting one. Doesn't show up very often, but for CEOs, this is good because it's where winning and losing are illusions. And the reason that that's helpful is it's a way to look back and reflect on where we've come with our business. And yeah, we've had some lumps along the way, but it's really not that important. There's some other things that are more important to running the business. And so winning and losing aren't quite as important. All right, those are some examples of how how the energy levels show up in our business as defined by winning and losing. Now, I'm going to have some additional videos after this one that explain how each one of those 7 energy levels shows up in business individually and in the company at large. So if you like this video, please click the like button below. And don't forget that we are now producing videos 24/7 at the Strategic Advisor Board. So make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And on the next video series, I'll also talk about the Energy Leadership Index Assessment. It's a fabulous tool to help check out what the energy is of your business. Hope you enjoyed this video and have a great day. Thanks for watching.